Hey, if you got some plain windows and you're looking for an aftermarket window grill or mutton, there is a place on the internet we found, and the reason we found them is I'd made a mistake when I built this barn, and we ordered all the windows and they were supposed to have the grill inserts, but all 13 windows in the building were missing them. So we found this company and we got exact measurements of each piece of glass, the window panes. And so they cut these for you. They ship them right out in a package. The packaging was really well done. And you basically glue them together at the little cross hatch. And then you use this, it's some sort of a Velcro tape. And you do one piece on the inside and then one piece like that. And you just peel off the little back of the tape. You do want to make sure that they're glued really well there in the cross. That's the weak point. We did have a couple issues right there where they come together, where we had to add some extra glue. But you basically clean off your window just like you were sticking some tape on it. And in theory, these can just get unvelcroed, or just you could peel them off. And you don't notice it from the outside. They actually look totally fine. It's all clear tape, so once it's on there, it's actually great. But if you've got a plain window and you want to make a simple change, they do cost. They weren't real cheap because they're all custom made. I think on the 13 windows on the barn, we spent $600, $700 to get all of these made. But it's a nice way of changing things up. And there you go. Client's happy,